lifestyle rich. All of me girl them dip. All of me friend them rich. My lifestyle rich. All of me girl them dip. Versace on me wrist. And the eyes on the chain them a drip. My lifestyle rich.
Say hi. We going bowling, guys. We're going bowling. So excited. And with this guy again. Oh Lord. You know it's gonna be an interesting day. Rude boy beat her with the leather strap. Girl I play with the thing and I measure that. Mr. Take your girl, I'm it. Girl I send money come and I spend a lot. Half girl I fall in love with them I drop. Then you, yo the gen of them get girl easy. That quick, that's the thing, you know what? You guys, my phone is a mash. Up! It done. Girl in there. And she only got the bras on and the drawers on. When she a move, you know she got the nigga on. Yeah, like it's done. But anyways, yeah, we're going bowling, so see when we get there.
Higher than I ever been before. Me go some places where some artists never tour. One after one, me gonna do some bag or more. Well, I let me do for sure. Mama used to tell me, daddy used to tell me more. But yes, them tough, they never bore. Cigarette cause black lung cancer. All the marijuana me adore.
We reached, you guys. We're in Iron Shore at this bowling alley called JAMZONE. It like pretty much it's like new because I've never seen this in my whole entire life. But I'm excited. This is what it looks like when you walk in. Once you go there, do we get discounts like how it's holiday?
No discount.
No discount? My gosh, come on. Where's the holiday spirit?
If we could have, we would, but
You can.
we're just open, honestly.
Don't say you can't. When did you guys open?
Like 3 weeks now.
3 weeks ago? Okay.
Pretty new.
That's good. I like it though.
We're working on the discount, okay?
Okay. You know, you gotta ask. You know, you gotta ask. So you guys were inside now after we done pay. Yeah, we there at JAMZONE. Bowl, eat, play. I'm so excited. We're getting shoed, sized and stuff right now. And stuff. And that's where we're gonna go in a second. So excited. Are you excited, Patrick? Have you ever been bowling before? No? Oh my god. So yeah, this is what it looks like when you come inside and whatever. And whatever. Not wait. The lighting in here is so crappy, so it's not gonna be the greatest. But yeah. You excited? Huh? How does it work? Okay, let's read the safety message. Bowl at your own risk. Risk of bodily injury is associated with this game. Do not cross the black foul line. Correct footwear must be worn and soles kept clean and dry. Keep hands out of ball return. Keep your hands out of that. Report any mechanical problems, spills, or other concerns to center personnel immediately. Okay, by pressing the red button, you agree and accept. Press the red button. Can you ask me to come here? Rave. Rave. Well, no, I've only bowled before. They haven't bowled before. No matter with it here?
Okay, Dad, go ahead. You want the demonstration? You want the demonstration? Enjoy your other ball. We're going to walk down to this line down
Okay? Wait. Lord Jesus, have his mercy. Do it for the vlog. Wait, no? Alright, go on. Yeah, my brother bull. Oh shit.
Yeah, you can throw it. You go near.
Woo! You get another chance. Alright, watch Dirty Patrick now. Hurry up now, Patrick! He's so annoying, man! Oh my gosh! Wife, y'all watch. Ah! Oh God, and this me want to see now. Gutter. That's a gutter ball. Oh God. All right, sissy fool. Go on board. Show them how you board for the first time. Ray! What? Yes, Gideon!
Come give me this.
It's okay, no, I'm new to this. I don't do this. Patrick finally licked something. Wait there. Oh, the one national. See there. Patrick licked one. Oh God. No man. At the rain wash where we look. This is where we're at right now. Oh my gosh. Yes, now it's actually a game. I feel like I can actually play now. Finally, the girls are in the friggin' lead. Come on now. What? No, we are in the lead see there? Katie and Fatima, Zoe Fatima. Patrick is just so mad right now. Like, end of round 1. That's the score. So Patrick won. Katie Ann come second. I came third. Shut up, Patrick. And Tajil fourth. I got a strike. Oh my god. I got a strike. I got a strike. I got another strike. I got another strike. You guys, that's 2 X's. 2 X by Minium. All right, you guys, we worked up appetites. Did you guys have fun? You had fun, Taj? Yeah. You want to come again? Yeah. He's mad because he didn't get no strike or spear or anything like that. Don't worry, on your first time, man. If you miserable yourself, you never see fun ever again. I mean, lick out your 2 front teeth. What are you gonna eat? What are we gonna eat? What we gonna eat? What we gonna eat? What we not gonna eat?
Brown man.
Seriously?
Right, Brown.
No. You seriously want to go to Brahman?
Yeah.
Okay.
I
I gotta go to the bank. What's nice food? We have money enough for nice food.
don't need money for nice food. All we want is a good chef. And we get nice food.
So Brown man and a good chef.
No, you want to come on and come and have some people on the chair thing.
Alright.
Me no mind Brown man. Okay, alright, Patrick, go on.
Stop me already, so.
Me never stop you.
But she did.
Don't worry about Kadian.
Right now.
Don't feel offended. Go and talk.
Get me to go and cry.
No, you don't need to cry. It's okay. Come on.
But I forget what those.
Nice food, nice food.
Oh, nice. The restaurant.
Which restaurant?
I can't go the regular with the top the mic.
So which restaurant?
But man, I sell classic rice.
But we not eat rice.
What you eat?
He loves his rice.
Oh.
Plastic fries too.
Me not think for you on plastic.
Why is the light on?
Because the light is on whoever's talking at the moment.
Who's talking? So she gonna look like on me?
Say something. Say something.
Okay, what are we gonna eat? Let's figure this out before we get in the car.
Yeah, I agree. Let's figure this. Stick to what you know then.
We can go to Wendy's, KFC, Burger King, Pizza Hut, Brown Man.
How dare you? How dare you mention one of those sophisticated restaurants?
We can't, brother. I can't. What else? Sakura.
Sakura and food for me.
Restaurants?
Huh?
It may just permit for Chinese food.
I'm not Chinese, that's Japanese.
I don't care.
Why?
Same thing.
There's Indian, there's Indian around here.
No, thank you.
There's. What only not here?
Careful.
No bad food
This is
inside.
Iron Shore.
I know.
With that.
Yeah, the money up there, up there. Okay. But you're not even giving us any options as to what we can choose from, so you can't necessarily say we only want to eat junk food. We're asking you where's nice. You can't tell us a nice place, so therefore you don't know anything nice either. Wifey, I watch. Ah! Hurry up, no, Patrick! He's so annoying, man. Oh my gosh! Catching up, the thing off, yo. I was losing, but man, catch up, you know. What am I gonna do? End of the first game. I'm having so much fun, you guys. Like, oh, this trip is amazing. Ah.
I got fake people showing pretty girls to me straight up to my tank.
I gotta double shot this sore sucker face loser here, boy. I want them my money. I'm having time. With all these extra lights, like look at this, look at this. I feel like, you know, like I'm in Bel Air, like some rich places. I'm like, oh, look at it, just don't you feel it? Can you feel it? Can you feel the love?